Just a few minutes east of Hope, British Columbia, the spectacular Othello Tunnels showcase one of Canada's greatest railway engineering achievements. Built in 1914 as part of the Kettle Valley Railway, these 5 tunnels were the vision of Chief Engineer Andrew McCulloch. Faced with the sheer granite walls of the Coquihalla Canyon, McCulloch rejected longer, more complicated routes and instead designed this remarkable straight passage through solid rock, a feat so ambitious the railway became known as McCulloch's Wonder. A passionate admirer of William Shakespeare, he also gave many stations along the line names like Juliet, Romeo, Lear, and Othello, inspiring the name these tunnels bear today. As you walk through the cool, echoing passages and cross the dramatic bridges above the rushing Coquihalla River, you're not just exploring breathtaking scenery, you're following in the footsteps of one of British Columbia's greatest engineering pioneers.